Spring is soon here, so I wanted to go into my closet and see if I can do a closet haul, as in try different things with my clothes that I already have instead of going out and buying new ones. Maybe think a new outfit idea so it feels like new clothes while just wearing the ones you already have. Reorganizing your wardrobe and trying new things. So this is a video where I show more versatile outfit, as in one element that you could wear as is can be worn differently. And that could maybe help inspire you to make your own closet haul. And if you do, please at me or tell me in the comments if you tried. I would love to hear back from you. I recommend you stay till the end of the video because I have the best advice, the last piece, the most versatile piece of clothes you can do to make a bunch of outfits with just one item of clothes for the last. It's been a while that I've been trying to only buy like neutral clothing, if that makes sense, and a sense of colors, like that they match more or less, or I can have versatility. It's not just one top or one dress that can only wear once unless it's for like an occasion, if that makes sense. That's different. But have more elephants. I'll have more elephants. Have more elements so I can mix and match instead of be stuck wearing the same clothes all of the time. This is the outfit I just wore today. So I'm working with a wardrobe I have in the closet that's like literally behind me. A brown neutral top with a pattern pants. What's great with pattern pants is that if you choose one that has multiple like neutral colors, it still can be worn with different neutral tops and even like with a pop of color if you want to do that. But it's important to have one with multiple colors. Shirt I'm wearing now, which is more of a casual top, and it's also spring appropriate and it still matches. So even if you have like a little print on it, if it's small or writing, it can still work. Even that top, you can just wear it down, wear black pants, and that black pants could also match with the sweater. It's nothing, that's the basics. You can also wear skirts, more skirts instead, but make sure if you have maxi skirts or midi skirts, those are very versatile items and you can wear them both ways, as the skirt itself if it has an elastic band, or as a top with a pants that you dress up with either a sports coat, blazer, or even with a white shirt, white dress shirt, the typical white dress shirt. You can close it and make it into a top, or you can leave it out, whatever floats your boat. And if any of these examples you like, please make sure to subscribe, like the channel, and comment. Maybe I'm Sarissa, maybe I'm not, but you can call me Rice, and I do lifestyle, architecture, and content creation here on YouTube. You can wear it with a skirt and it still looks good. If you take a mini skirt with a zipper, it's not as flexible as the skirt with the elastic, because as you can tell, the elastic can become the top, whereas that skirt is stuck as only the skirt. One of the best versatile outfits you can have are dresses. Okay, if you wear dresses, it's the best. So this is a dress example. It can be fine as its own, but you can pair it as a skirt with the skirt that we shown before, and it's a new outfit. Or just wear a pants. Just wear the pants, and it's also a whole other outfit that works. That dress had a pattern, but we can go even further and do the best of the best. The best for the last is have the little black dress. And you don't have to go as tight as this one. And this one is not really tight. Have a little black dress. That's the only thing, if you don't have, I will tell you to buy, is a little black dress because of practicality. You can have a longer length if this is too short. That's fine. I'm short, so it's not that. It might look short, but I'm not tall, so it's not short. You can wear that with a skirt. You can wear it with pants. You can wear it with the white top and just tie it up and it's an outfit. You can wear it again with a blazer. If it's too cold, you can also add leggings and you can make it fun with designs, or just go neutral tones and also change the thickness to be appropriate for the weather. You can also wear the dress over a turtleneck or switch it up and wear it under a sweater. You can also use the turtleneck over the dress idea with, as I'm wearing now, a dress with more of a print The only issue is that this is a style taste. I think it still looks cute, but I know some people will think this is too busy. So you have to cater it to your style. And this also could be with a pants, and you have, again, another outfit, and it's a warmer outfit than the others. Hope this helps someone. If it did, let me know in the comments. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And until next video, bye.